Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled cucumber easy. Start by selecting fresh, firm pickling cucumbers, about 4 to 6 inches long, for the best texture and flavor. Thoroughly wash them under cool, running water. Then, slice your cucumbers into uniform spears or rounds, about 1/4 inch thick, ensuring even pickling. Don't forget to trim off the blossom end, as it contains enzymes that can make your pickles soft. Next, let's create the perfect pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. This 1-to-1 ratio of water to vinegar provides a balanced acidity. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the salt and sugar are completely dissolved. Bring it to a gentle simmer, but do not boil excessively. Now for the flavor. Into each clean, sterilized pint-sized glass jar, add 1 sprig of fresh dill, 2 cloves of peeled garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of pickling spice. These aromatics infuse your pickles with delicious taste. Carefully pack your prepared cucumber slices tightly into the jars, ensuring they are snug but not crushed. Leave approximately 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim of the jar. Finally, it's time to complete the pickling process. Carefully pour the hot brine over the packed cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged. Tap the jars gently on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the rims clean, then securely fasten the lids. Allow the jars to cool to room temperature before refrigerating them. Your delicious homemade pickles will be ready to enjoy in about 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.